In the previous lecture, we discussed the rules of the negation for the compound statement. That means the negation of the compound statement. Then here it is a negation of the conjunction, negation of disjunction, negation of implication, negation of double implication, negation of negation, and it is a negation of the quantified statement. Okay. Now we see some examples of the negation of the statements. Okay. Now we see the first example in exercise 1.3, question number 3. Now the first question, it is write the negation of the following, and the question is x plus 8 greater than 11 or y minus 3 is equal to 6. Now here there are the two statements combined by the word or, that means it is a statement disjunction. Okay, this compound statement is called the disjunction. We want to find the negation of this statement. First we write this statement symbolically. Okay, now let P, it is x plus 8 greater than 11, Q, y minus 3 is equal to 6. Therefore symbolic form. Symbolic form of given statement is P or Q. P or this Q. Now therefore its negation is negation of P or Q. Okay, negation of disjunction. Separate the negation of two statement and replace or by and. It is a negation of disjunction. Negation P and negation Q, and therefore the negation of given statement is, it is a given statement, and negation of given statement, it is a negation P and negation Q. Here it is a P and it is Q. The given statement, it is a P or Q, then its negation of P or Q, that means negation P and negation Q. Therefore negation of the given statement, it is x plus 8 is less than or equal to 11 and y minus 3 is not equal to 6. Here it is a negation P and it is negation Q, and or replaced by this and. It is a negation of the given statement. Okay, given statement in the form of the disjunction, and it is a rule for the negation. It is a negation of the disjunction, negation P and negation Q. Now we see the second example. It is second. 11 is less than 15 and 25 is greater than 20. Okay. Here these two statements are connected by the word and, that means it is the conjunction. Okay. So we use the negation of this conjunction, but first we write this statement symbolically. P statement, it is 11 less than 15. Q statement, it is a 25 greater than 20, and therefore the symbolic form of the statement, it is a P and Q. It is a symbolic form of the given statement. Now the negation of this statement, it is a negation of P and Q, and that is equal to, it is a negation P or negation Q. Separate negation and replace and by or. Okay, and therefore the negation of this given statement, it is 11 greater or equal to 15 or 25 less or equal to 20. It is negation P. It is P statement. It is negation P. It is Q and it is negation Q. Okay, negation P or negation Q. It is the negation of this given statement. Okay. Now the next example. Quadrilateral is a square. The third example. Quadrilateral is a square if and only if it is a rhombus. It is a rhombus. Okay. Here, if and only if it is a rhombus. See carefully this. Quadrilateral is a square. It is a first statement. And quadrilateral is a rhombus. It is a second statement. Okay. First, we consider the statements. The solution. It is a let P quadrilateral is a square and Q statement quadrilateral is a rhombus. Okay, see carefully this. Now the symbolic form of the statement P if and only if Q, P if and only if Q, it is a symbolic form. Now we want to find the negation of this statement. Negation of P if and only if Q is equal to negation of P if and only if Q. It is P and negation Q or Q and negation P. That means negation of P if and only if Q, first as it is and negation of second statement, or second as it is and negation of the first statement. Therefore the negation of the given statement, see carefully, negation of the given statement is a quadrilateral P and negation Q ले लो. Quadrilateral is a square and it is not a rhombus. Or quadrilateral. Okay, here it is a quadrilateral is a rhombus and it is not a square. Okay, here हे झालं तुमचं निगेशन. ओके, केअरफुली पहा. निगेशन ऑफ P if and only if Q, P and negation Q or Q and negation P. हे P आणि हे Q. Here P and it is negation Q or Q and it is negation P. ओके, फक्त हे जे दिसायला याला व्हर्बल फॉर्म मध्ये लिहिले P and negation Q. P quadrilateral is a square and it is not rhombus, or quadrilateral is a rhombus and it is not a square. फक्त त्याला व्हर्बल फॉर्म मध्ये लिहिले. It is a negation of if and only if, negation of biconditional statement. Now we see the next. Next example number 4. इट इज कोल्ड and raining. It is cold and raining. First we write this verbal form symbolically. Here P statement, it is cold, and Q statement, it is raining. Okay, then symbolic form P and Q. It is a symbolic form of the given statement. It is cold and raining. It is cold, that is P, and Q. It is P and Q. But we want to find the negation of this statement. Therefore, the negation of P and Q is equal to, it is a negation P or negation Q. Then the negation of the given statement is, it is not cold or not raining. It is not cold or not raining. This not cold we replace by hot. Okay, also it is cold and then its negation it is hot. Okay, दोन्ही पैकी कोणतंही लिहिलं तरी चालते, नॉट कोल्ड लिहा किंवा हॉट लिहा. इट इज नॉट कोल्ड और नॉट रेनिंग. It is not cold or not raining. It is negation of P and Q. Okay, now the next, example number 5. If it is raining, if it is raining, then we will go and play football. Okay, here see carefully here. If it is raining, then we will go and play football. इथं 3 स्टेटमेंट आहेत, 2 नाही. इट इज रेनिंग, वी विल गो अँड वी प्ले फुटबॉल. हे झाले तुमच्या 3 स्टेटमेंट. म्हणजे यार सिम्बॉलिक फॉर्म लिहिण्यासाठी इथं P, Q आणि R. ओके, केअरफुली पहा. हिअर फर्स्ट इट इज अ P. इट इज रेनिंग. Q, we will go. आणि R, we play football. Okay, then आता symbolic form व्यवस्थित पहा. If P, then P and Q. If P, then it is Q and R. Okay, here if P, then it is Q and R. If P, then Q and R. आता या स्टेटमेंटचं लिहायचं आपल्याला निगेशन. केअरफुली पहा. निगेशन ऑफ दिस स्टेटमेंट, इट इज अ निगेशन ऑफ P एम्प्लाइज Q and R. मग याचं निगेशन काय? फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट इम्प्लिकेशनचं निगेशन. फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट ॲज इट इज, निगेशन ऑफ सेकंड स्टेटमेंट. फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट ॲज इट इज and negation of second statement, it is Q and R. Then again here negation of the compound statement Q and R. Therefore it is a P and negation Q or negation R. Okay, carefully पहा. पहिल्यांदा implication काय? P implies Q and R. P is a first statement, Q and R it is a second statement. Therefore for the rule for the implication, negation of the implication, first as it is and negation of the second. Here first statement as it is and negation of the second statement. But second statement again it is a compound statement. Q and R separate negation आणि अँडच्या जागा काय or. हे झालं तुमचं निगेशन, या गिव्हन स्टेटमेंटचं निगेशन. आता आपल्याला याला लिहायचं व्हर्बल फॉर्ममध्ये. P काय? इट इज रेनिंग. Q काय? वी विल गो. आणि आर काय, तर इट इज वी प्ले फुटबॉल. ओके, हिअर देअरफॉर द निगेशन ऑफ द गिवन स्टेटमेंट इज इट इज रेनिंग. इट इज रेनिंग. It is raining and we will not go or not play football. Okay, carefully. P and negation Q or negation R. P, it is raining and we will not go or not play football. It is a negation of this given statement. याच्या तीन स्टेटमेंट होते, P, Q आणि R. याचं निगेशन P अँड निगेशन Q और निगेशन R. हे झालं त्याचा व्हर्बल फॉर्म. ओके, आणि हे लास्ट आन्सर आहे. ओके, गिवन स्टेटमेंट अँड इट्स निगेशन, हे झालं तुमचं निगेशन. ओके, नाव द नेक्स्ट. Number 6. Under root 2 is a rational number. Okay, here it is not a compound statement, it is a simple statement. So its negation is under root 2 is not a rational number, or under root 2 is an irrational number, it is a negation. Okay? Therefore, the solution. Negation of given statement is under root 2 is not a rational number. Okay, then number 7, all natural numbers are whole numbers. Okay, here again it is a simple statement, but it is a quantified statement. Here it is all means every, that means for all. Okay, here all natural numbers are the whole number. Simple statement hai, but it is a quantified statement. Okay, and the negation of the quantified statement, here all is interchanged by some while taking negation. Okay, all आलं तर काय करणार, ऑलला सम लिहिणार आणि त्याच्यानंतर त्याचं निगेशन. म्हणजे इथं स्टेटमेंट काय, नॅचरल नंबर्स आर द होल नंबर. याचं निगेशन काय असणार, नॅचरल नंबर्स आर नॉट होल नंबर. बट हिअर इट इज ऑल, म्हणजे हे काय क्वांटिफाईड स्टेटमेंट आहे. मग क्वांटिफाईडचं निगेशन लिहिते वेळेस काय, ऑल आलं तर आधी त्याला सम लिहा. ओके, ऑलला इंटरचेंज कशाने करणार, सम अँड देन निगेशन. ओके, ऑल इंटरचेंज्ड बाय सम while taking negation. Okay, then its negation. Okay. Negation is, okay, some natural numbers are not whole numbers. ओके, हिअर क्वांटिफाईड स्टेटमेंटचं निगेशन लिहिते वेळेस केअरफुली लक्ष द्या. निगेशन तर लिहायचं स्टेटमेंटचं, पण ऑल असलं तर त्याच्या जागेवर सम असलं तर त्याच्या जागेवर ऑल, किंवा तुम्हाला क्वांटिफाईडचे सिम्बॉल असतील फॉर ऑल अँड देर एक्झिस्ट. फॉर ऑल सिम्बॉल असलं तर त्याच्या जागेवर देर एक्झिस्ट लिहा. देर एक्झिस्ट असलं तर त्याच्या जागेवर फॉर ऑल अँड देन निगेशन. ओके, नाव इट इज अ 7th. Then question number 8. The statement it is for all n belongs to natural numbers, n square plus n plus 2 is divisible by 4. Okay, here again it is a simple statement, but it is a quantified statement. Okay, here it is a for all, therefore its negation is for all interchanged by there exist n belongs to n, and then negation n square plus n plus 2 is not divisible by 4. Okay, here this n square plus n plus 2 is divisible by 4. Their negation is n square plus n plus 2 is not divisible by 4, but it is a quantified statement. So for all interchanged by for all, it is a replaced by this there exist, and there exist is replaced by for all. Now the second example, next, it is the last. There exist x belongs to n such that x minus 17 less than 20. Okay, here there exist x belongs to n such that x minus 17 less than 20. And here x minus 17 less than 20 is a negation काय असणार? x minus 17 greater or equal to 20. It is a negation of this statement, but here it is a quantified statement. So this there exist replaced by for all. Okay, then the negation is okay, या स्टेटमेंटचं निगेशन काय असणार? फॉर ऑल x belongs to n such that x minus 17 greater or equal to 20. It is a negation of this statement. Okay, quantified statement, simple statement सरळ नॉट लावायचे, पण सिंपल स्टेटमेंट इट इज अ क्वांटिफाईड. देन ऑल असलं तर सम लिहा, आणि सम असलं तर ऑल, आणि त्याच्यानंतर निगेशन. ओके, मग क्वांटिफाईड स्टेटमेंटच्या निगेशनचा रूल केअरफुली लक्षात राहू द्या. ऑल ऑर एव्हरी or this symbol is interchanged by some or there exist at least one. This is a symbol for the there exist, and vice versa while taking negation. Okay, all असलं तर some लिहा, किंवा some आलं तर or लिहा while taking negation. Okay, here these are the rules for the negation of the compound statement. मग व्हर्बल फॉर्ममध्ये दिलेले असतील किंवा सिम्बॉलिक फॉर्ममध्ये दिलेले असतील. कंपाऊंड स्टेटमेंट एक स्टेटमेंट पॅटर्न दिलेलं असणार, त्याचं तुम्हाला काय करायचे? निगेशन काढा. मग त्याच्यासाठी रूल्स कोणते यूज करायचे? तर इट इज अ रूल्स ऑफ द निगेशन. negation of conjunction, negation of disjunction, negation of implication, negation of double implication, negation of negation, and here these are the negation of the quantified statement. क्वांटिफाईड स्टेटमेंटचे निगेशन केअरफुली पहा. सिंपल स्टेटमेंट असल्यामुळे याला सिम्बॉलिक फॉर्म लिहायची गरज नाही. कंपाऊंड स्टेटमेंट असली तर मग त्याचा आधी सिम्बॉलिक फॉर्म लिहा, त्याच्यानंतर निगेशन लिहा. कंपाऊंड स्टेटमेंट, सिंपल स्टेटमेंट डायरेक्ट निगेशन. इट इज अ सिंपल स्टेटमेंट बट इट इज क्वांटिफाईड डायरेक्ट निगेशन. ओके, हिअर त्याला तुम्हाला सिम्बॉलिक फॉर्ममध्ये लिहायची गरज नाही. ओके, पण कंपाऊंड स्टेटमेंट असली तर आधी सिम्बॉलिक फॉर्म आणि त्याच्यानंतर त्याचं निगेशन. ओके, हे सगळे एक्झाम्पल्स, निगेशनचे एक्झाम्पल्स केअरफुली पहा. ओके, अल्जेब्रा ऑफ स्टेटमेंट आणि त्याच्यानंतर रूल्स ऑफ निगेशन हे दोन्ही केअरफुली पहा. ओके, कन्फ्यूज होऊ नका कोणत्याच रूल्समध्ये किंवा लॉमध्ये. ओके, व्यवस्थित स्टडी करा, लिहून घ्या, त्याच्यानंतर कळते. ओके, हिअर इट इज अ क्वांटिफाईड सिंपल स्टेटमेंट्स होत्या. याच्या आधी आपण पाहिलं होतं कंपाऊंड स्टेटमेंट. सगळे एक्झाम्पल केअरफुली पहा.